Hi guys, back again with this DC54 Cyclone cleaning. And as you can see here, I've got all the parts laid out. They're nice and dry now, so it's just a matter of putting the unit back together. This section just fits inside the top lid of the Cyclone here. I'm going to be fast forwarding certain sections of this video. And you got this section here. There's three gaskets that fit onto it, which I removed previously, and I'll just speed this section up a little. But you'll get the basic idea. Just fitting the three gaskets on, make sure they're fitted on securely and snug. And that's that section done. All three gaskets fitted. And I'll just get to this section over here, which also has a gasket. It'll only fit on a certain way. There's a cutout for the bin lever. And just speed that section up also. And this cone section has the Cyclone tips on. It'll only fit on one way. Just putting these tips back onto the cone section. Just get a close up of that. And this is the top section, top of the Cyclone. So this section here just fits inside. It'll only fit inside one way. As I said, there's a cutout for the bin release, and that fits in there, and that attaches with 7 screws on the outside. Here you can see me just putting the last one in just to save time. I've put the others in already, as I will do through the rest of the video. And then this just fits into this section here. There's the bin release lever. You might have to tuck that out of the way, as you can see me doing here. Try not to bend it too much or it'll break, just to get the two sections to fit together snugly. And I'll just show you here. See me just pressing them together. So there, that's ready to be screwed together. And there you can see me just putting the 7 screws in. Just put the last one in. The last one fits in the middle. Let's get a close up of that. Now with this section, there's another gasket that fits around their sides. You can see me just fitting here. I'll speed this section up also, but you'll get the basic idea. It's got tiny little allocated holes to hold the gasket in place, and that's what I'm just allocating here. Just get a close up of that with the gasket in place. Now just fit this next section. Let's put that together like so. And there's just 6 screws holding this together. You can see me just putting the last screw in. I've put all 6 in already. This is just the last one. And I'll just show you what that looks like so far. Then got to fit this cone section, which also will fit only one way. Just got to fit that together, make sure all the gaskets are located correctly. And once again, it's just 6 screws holding this together. And you see me just put the last screw in here. I'll just show you what it looks like thus far. Now for this outer filter, there's 9 screws going around the edge of this filter, and there's a location here which fits underneath the bin release, and I've put the 8 screws in. I'll just put the 9th screw in here. I'll just give you a close up. That's what it looks like with all the screws in. Now that's done, there's a gasket for the bin, the top section. Just speed it up for you once again, and that just fits into its recess. And here's the bin assembly itself. I've took the gaskets off these as well to clean them, the seals, sorry, and I'll just put them in here. Also, fast forward this section also. One goes in the middle, and this goes on the outside. And then there's this very outside seal for the bin lid. And now that's done, let me just show you how far I've got. Just show you around the inside, nice and clean. As you can see there, it's outer filter, nice and clean also, and you can see the cyclone tips inside. So what I've got to do now is put the bin on, and there's 2 notches at the back what it fits into, you can see there. Just click that in, and there's a grey clip at the front underneath this red lever, but it's already clicked in, and that's the finished article. Just waiting for a new motor for the for this unit, but let me just show you around. I'll give the whole unit a proper clean inside and out. These units seem to gather a lot of dust inside, and that's just the bin opening operation there. Let's lock that back up, and that pretty much concludes. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.